Hey LinkedIn, welcome to the Microsoft office downtown Chicago. We are going to enter and take a look at how Microsoft is doing social distancing. The first thing you'll notice is that the pad that I badge into is associated with a Microsoft Power app that makes sure that I have attest to my healthy state.
Here's the app. You go to aka.ms/health check.
Before I enter the building. If I don't do that, I get an email reminding me of that process and procedure.
Here's the email you get if you forget to badge in.
Here in the lobby, I have two Surface Hubs behind me. These could have battery-powered packs within the stand and could leverage maybe a virtual attendant as opposed to physically having people behind. And you can see here that we have plexiglass separating attendees of an event from the reception area. And then as we walk around to the different areas, you'll notice that it's very open down here in the Chicago office. So seating would allow for social distancing. And then even our rooms can be changed from a standpoint of the amount of people that are allowed in the room. This one used to be up to 20. Now it's probably more like 8. So I can use a Surface device outside the room to actually meet immediately, confirm how long I need to reserve the meeting for, and then go ahead and reserve my meeting space for a 15-minute meeting. And then within the rooms, using the large Surface Hubs on the wall, I could go ahead and host the meeting with remote participants and up to 8 individuals within the room. So very easy for me to maintain social distancing without having to compromise an in-person plus virtual experience. This is a little bit about what Microsoft is doing specifically in the Chicago office to address social distancing and allow us to actually connect with people that are remote, as well as reserve the space even up to the point of the meeting time.